Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to find the sleep option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from Tweaking Tools, and at the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, the automatic option, which is 10 minutes, or the manual option never, which means that your device will never automatically black out. You will have to do it manually. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.